Good afternoon. For today, we'll be having our short orientation about the subject computer networks and security. So our subject is 2 hours lecture. For the lecture part, so it includes the basic principles of the network architecture, computer network design, services, technologies, and network security. As per the lab side, so we'll be having simple hands-on laboratory activities related to computer networking. Basically, it focuses on the configuration of TCP, IP, routers and switches, network security, and of course, the wireless fidelity. So these are some of the main course content that we're about to discuss. Right now, we're just having a simple introduction to the course and discussion of some requirements. And also, we'll be talking about networking overview. And then, for our first module, we'll be talking about computer network fundamentals. Next, computer network security fundamentals. What are the security issues and challenges related to computer? The computer network security challenges management, and of course, the digital and social network ecosystem. And then here naman po, these are the courses or the topics that we have to discuss following CHED CMO. So itatouch din po natin yung mga information na nakikita po natin on the screen like the evolution of computer networks and services, applications and layered architectures, local area networks or the LAN, and of course the wide area networks or the WAN that includes devices and protocols and standards. We'll also be talking about internetworks, including the principles of it, the architectures, IP addressing and architecture, and then we talk about network security, like internet protocol and standards, internet authentication and applications, wireless network security, web security, and finally, introduction to cybersecurity. So lahat po yun, part pa rin ng computer networks and security subject po natin. In our case, purely online yung ating lecture and class discussion. We'll be having also some machine problems and experiments. Of course, we'll be doing that asynchronously. So sasabihin ko naman po sa inyo kung kailan po yung deadline ng submission ng mga laboratory experiment that we're gonna do. Then of course, meron din tayong simple project simulation and presentation at the end of the term. And as needed, we'll be having some practical examination. Pero since most of the discussions here are lectures or theories or principles, so siguro some of the type of examination po natin is like that, mga multiple choice type of questions. Again, these are some of the course requirements, experiment, practical exam, project. And as you know, most of you here are some of my former students already. So these are the requirements for you to pass the subject. Number one is the attendance. Number two is performance of the laboratory, experiment, and report. And then, of course, is studying, following the requirements of the subject. So, as you know, I'm expecting from a student that you're gonna practice professional student behavior, whether or not we're meeting face-to-face, diba? So, kailangan andun yung discipline, yung attendance, and interaction with other school personnel as well. So, as per the laboratory manual, I'll be the ones to provide to you kung ano po yung mga kailangan po nating isubmit in our subject. So, welcome to Computer Networks and Security. Let's have a great semester. And here's a short overview about our subject. So, dalawang slides lang po to, then proceed na po tayo with our first module. So, in this slide, we're just giving you an overview about computer networking. Siyempre, part ng discussion natin, pag-aaralan natin, what is computer networking? And then, what are the different topologies related to computer networking na katulad na nakikita po natin dito sa ating illustration? How does a computer network work? Yan. What are the basic terminologies that we needed to learn about computer networks? The network, node, protocol, topology, service provider, IP address, DNS, firewall. So dapat maging familiar po tayo dito sa mga terminologies na ito. And then we'll be familiarized as well with point-to-point, star, daisy chain, ring, mesh, tree, hybrid. So these are the different types of topology. And then what are the types of computer networks? Like the local area network, wide area network, cloud, enterprise network, service provider. So parami po ng parami yung types of computer networks. Pero basically, yung mga equipment, mga devices that we're gonna use, yun pa rin naman po. We have the router, the hub, the bridge, the wireless router, the switch, and of course, the wireless bridge as well. So dalawang part yung ating subject, 'di ba? One is the computer network and then the other way around is the network security. So, pag-aaralan din natin what is network security. How does network security work? The physical network security, technical network security, administrative network security. What are the types of network security? Network access control, antivirus, and anti-malware software, firewall, virtual private networks, yan, very prominent yung VPN ngayon, lalo na nag-hybrid yung work natin due to COVID, di ba? Mobile device security, yan, multi-factor authentication. So this is also very relevant kasi ngayon talagang kailangan natin ng multiple ways to authenticate our identity or profile to avoid issues with regard to security. Network segmentation and of course unboxing. And then we'll also be talking about why is network security important? What are operational risks, what are financial risks, and what are some regulatory issues that we needed to adhere or to follow. So, itong nakikita natin dito is a simple architecture showing us the internet, the firewall, the router, connected with the user's computer server and printer. Alright, so yun po yung short overview about computer networking and network security.